Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The rate of electrophilic aromatic substitution, EAS, including nitration, depends on the electron density of the aromatic ring. Electron donating groups, EDG, activate the ring, increase rate, while electron withdrawing groups, EWG, deactivate the ring, decrease rate. Additionally, kinetic isotope effects, KI, can influence rate when CH bond breaking is involved in the rate determining step. Moving on to the next step. A. Benzene, reference compound, no substituent. B. Toluene, Me group methyl is an EDG via hyperconjugation and induction activates the ring. Rate benzene. C. Benzene D6, deuterobenzene deuterium has a primary kinetic isotope effect, KH-KD1, only if CH-CD bond breaking is in the rate determining step. In EAS, the rate determining step is the addition of the electrophile, formation of the arenium sigma complex, not the deprotonation step. Therefore, the Ki for nitration is essentially 1, meaning benzene D6 reacts at the same rate as benzene. Rate of C is equal to rate of A. D. Nitrobenzene, number 2 group number 2 is a strong EWG by both induction and resonance, strongly deactivates the ring. Rate benzene. This is the slowest. E. Chlorobenzene, Cl group Cl is weakly deactivating by induction, EWG, but weakly activating by resonance, lone pair donation. Net effect, Cl is a weak deactivator overall, but less deactivating than number 2. Rate is slightly less than benzene but greater than nitrobenzene. Moving on to the next step. Slowest to fastest, nitrobenzene, D, chlorobenzene, E, benzene, A, is equal to benzene, D6, C, toluene, B. This gives DEA is equal to CB. And for the final step, option B states DEA is equal to CB. This matches exactly. A, B, C, A, D, E, incorrect order entirely, places toluene slowest and chlorobenzene fastest. C, DA is equal to CEB, incorrect, places chlorobenzene faster than benzene, which is wrong since Cl is net deactivating. D, ACBED, incorrect, places nitrobenzene fastest and separates A from C incorrectly. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.